Hello everyone. So we take one more video on the history of cat, but today we solve problem on time, speed and distance. So we go into cat 2019 and we pick up problem from TSD, time, speed and distance. Okay, so let's see what is the problem saying to us. The problem says that two cars travel same distance, okay, one at 10 am and the another one starts at 11 am. So two car travel the same distance, they start with a difference of 1 hour. So first car leaves at 10 am and then the second car comes at 11 am respectively on the same day. Okay, they reach their common destination. So they reach the common destination, which means the distance traveled by them is same at the same point of time, and this is the catch here, at the same point of time. Now let us understand what are we talking about here. So this is my first car, and what is being said to us, this cars travel certain distance. So let us, this red represents the distance that is being traveled by this car, which is a red car. That is a car that started at what, 10 am. Now what will happen at 11 am? What will happen in 1 hour? You can imagine this must have traveled some distance. What distance I don't know, but this must have traveled some distance. Now what is the time right now? The time right now is nothing but 11 am. Okay, 1 hour is over. And then what happened? Then the second car comes here, the yellow car. Okay, and this is now at the source point from where the red car started. And what is the time right now? 11 am. Obviously you can see there is some difference of distance that is there between the two car at 11 am. Now what is being said after this? If the first car traveled for at least 6 hours, which means least it will travel by 6 hours. What else it can travel? It can travel for 7, 8, 9, 10 and then so on. 1000 also it can travel for. But at least minimum it will travel for 6 hours. Then the highest possible value of the percentage by which the speed of the second car would exceed that of the first car. Okay, that is the question that is being asked to us. So let us start by analyzing this. What is being said to us? If the first car travels at least for 6 hours, which means what, it started at what, 10 am, and it will, if it travels for 6 hours, how much will it travel? It will travel till 4 pm, right? For at least 6 hours. But what is being said, they reach their common destination at the same point of time, and this is the catch here. So say this is their common destination which they are supposed to reach. They both reach at the same time. If you are saying that the red car reached at 4 pm, this car, yellow car, which started at 11 am will also reach at 4 pm because they reach the common destination at the same time. So if you are saying that minimum this car takes 6 hours, so if I add 6 to this will reach at 4 pm, right? At least it can reach at 5, 6, 7, but at least it will reach at 4 pm. This car will also reach at 4 pm only. Okay, so what do you understand from this? If I say now, let's take this car is traveling the distance in 6 hours, and this car, yellow car, is traveling the distance in 5 hours. Okay, so if I take the LCM of this two, let us say this will be what, this would be 30. Okay, let's make it 300 as well. It doesn't matter, you will always get the right answer. If the total distance is 300 and this car is covering the distance in 6 hours, okay, started from here 10, and it is covering it in 6 hours. So can you tell me what is the speed of the red car then? The speed of the red car becomes what then? 300 is a distance traveled in 6 hours. So what is the speed of this car? That comes out to be what? 50 km per hour. Quite an understandable thing. Okay, now this car covers the same distance in 5 hours. How do you know that? Because it started after an hour. So it is covering the same distance of 300 in 5 hours. 300 in 5 hours, right? We know this as well. So 300 is covered in 5 hours. So what is the speed of this car then? 60 km per hour. Okay, what do you need to understand? The percentage by which the speed of the second car would exceed that of the first car, but highest possible. See, when this will be least means it covers it covers the distance in the least possible time, 6 hours, then only it will be having a highest possible value. Because if you take this to be 7, then the possible value will not be highest. If it covers the distance in 7, 8, 9, 10, then the value will not be highest, and that's why we'll go with the combination of only 50 and 60 kilometer per hour. Which means what? This red car covers at the speed of 50 kilometer per hour, and the yellow car covers at the speed of 60 kilometer per hour. So the percentage by which the speed of the second car would exceed that of the first car, what is an increase here? Increase here is of 10. Okay, 10 over what? 10 over 50. So you will just write it here. It increased from 50 to 60. Increases of 10 over 50. 10 is what percent of 50? 1 by 5, 20%, and that will be your answer to this. 20% is your answer to this question. Okay, so how do you approach such kind of problem? Ideally, just make a scenario. If the first car start at 10 a.m., which means in 6 hours it will travel certain distance, and then the same distance is covered by the next car in 5 hours. So what is the speed of the first car? What is the speed of the second car? And then what is the percentage increase in the speed? But since they are asking for the highest possible value, you need to make the first car travel for least number of hours. Okay, least would be 6. If you take the first car covering the distance in 7 hours, then the highest possible value will not be possible. Okay, so that's why you have to take the least of 6 hours, and that's how you reach to the solution of a TSD problem which was asked in CAT 2019.